The damages that you can recover for in a wrongful death statute vary from state to state or jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Here in Alabama, we have what's called a punitive damages wrongful death statute. So what that means is that you can recover only for damages to punish the wrongdoer and deter future conduct of that nature. Alabama, unlike most states, you cannot recover what's called compensatory damages. Compensatory damages are damages for things like pain and suffering of the deceased before they passed, future lost wages of the deceased. Even if they were a high wage earner, a doctor or a lawyer, you cannot recover for those things under Alabama's wrongful death statute. Alabama's wrongful death statute is punitive in nature. The only exception to that is if someone was injured in an accident and a personal injury lawsuit was filed before they passed, and then they later passed away because of that same accident, then you can have damages for both compensatory and punitive damages.